Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Conversations.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Today we're talking about one simple question. What makes you happy?
That's a lovely topic. Everyone has different things that bring happiness.
So Emma, what makes you feel happy?
For me, spending time with my family always makes me to relaxing music.
That sounds happiest when I finish my work and the park always makes me feel better.
Do you think you're a positive person?
Yes, I try to focus on solutions. Of course, I have bad days too.
Me too. Nobody feels happy every day.
What do you do when you're feeling sad?
I listen to music or call a friend.
That's a great idea. I like exercising. Even a walk changes my mood.
Sometimes we need a break from our lives. Yes.
Taking time to relax is very important for our mental health.
And it's okay to feel sad sometimes. We don't have to hide our feelings.
Accept your emotions, then slowly do something that makes you feel better.
Before we finish, let's learn a few useful words.
A positive person thinks about good possibilities.
A negative person often expects bad things to happen.
If you cheer up, you start feeling happier.
If you're grumpy, you're in a bad mood for a short time.
And when you take a break, you stop working for a while to relax and feel refreshed.
Thanks for listening. What makes you happy? Tell us in the comments.
See you in the next Easy English Conversation. Goodbye!